Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can install MongoDB on your Windows 10 machine. So all you have to do is go to your favorite browser and type MongoDB. Now you have to go to this website https://www.mongodb.com, and inside that you have to go to the community server. Now once your community server web page is loaded, you can go to MongoDB community server and here you can go to available downloads. You can select your whatever version you want. I want the recent version, so I'm selecting the as it is, and I'm going to install it on Windows 10, so the platform will be Windows. If you want to do it for another operating system, then you can select in here. And now just click on the download button. After downloading, you will get a file that you can open. I'll just go to the downloads, and here this has got downloaded here, so I'll just open this file. Now it is preparing for install, so let's just wait until it opens the menu. So once it open, now click on next. So you have to accept all the terms and conditions here. So I will click on I accept and click on next. Now as I want all the setup that all the features which MongoDB is providing, so I'll opt for complete. So already the complete is selected. So after selecting the complete, now it will ask me for whether I should install the MongoDB as a service. So I want it as a service only, and this is the data directory path in which the data will be getting stored, and the log directory path. Now if you want to change this path, then you can change it. Otherwise, if you want to keep it as it is, you can just click on next. Now it is asking me to install the MongoDB Compass. So I want this MongoDB Compass. If you do not want it, you can just untick it, but I will take it and I will proceed for next. Now you can just click on the install button and your installation process will get started. Now just wait until this gets installed. So it is just installing the MongoDB on my path which I have mentioned it previously. Now once it is installed, you can click on the finish button. Now you have to go to the path in C drive. You have to go to program files, then click on MongoDB and server, and this will be the version which you have installed of MongoDB. So mine is 4.2. Now this shows that the MongoDB has installed successfully, and you can go in the bin folder. And now here in bin folder, these are all the applications that you can run. So MongoDB application is used to start the MongoDB server process, whereas the Mongo application is used to start the client process. So let's go now to the command prompt. I'll just open the command prompt, and you have to open cd to this path. So I'll just copy this path up to the bin folder. Now after opening the command prompt, I will just do cd and paste the path up to the bin folder. Now I'll just put the enter. But before that, you have to go to just open another command prompt, and in that you have to in the C folder you have to create a directory. So you have to do md, and in the double quotes you can write /data/db. so this will create a data folder and db folder in your C path. So let's check if whether it is getting created. So this is created the data and db folder in my C path. Now let's open the first command prompt which we have created. So in from the bin folder we have to run this particular application, that is MongoD, in order to start our server process. So I'll just run here MongoD. So this command is executed successfully, you can see here. Now we have to open another command prompt and cd to the bin folder path only in order to execute the client process. So let me just open the command prompt here. So I have opened the command prompt, and you have to do the cd up to the bin path. Now you have to just run here mongo. This will start the client process. Your client process is started here. So you can just check it by using the commands such as show dbs. So it will show the default dbs which are present in the application. So yeah, the MongoDB is installed successfully. So yeah, you can just go ahead and run your MongoDB commands here. So installation of the MongoDB is successful. Thank you all for watching. If you have any issues or errors, you can write down that in the comment section, and I will try to resolve them and reply back to you. Thank you.